Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the screenshot in Windows 10 and 11. So for this, it's a very simple step. We just simply go to the search bar and here we are going to type the snipping tool. This tool is used to take the screenshot from your web pages and from your desktop from anywhere you want. Just click on this and here is the snipping tools. For the snipping tool, we are just new to click on the new button because we are going to create a new screenshot. Just click on this. And I only want the screenshot of this logo. Just drag and drop. I only want the screenshot of this specific portion. Just drag and drop and then leave it. And here you can find that we have a screenshot of this. Now going to save this. Just click on this file, save as, and location I'm going to give it to the desktop. This is my screenshot. Just type the name as the screenshot, and here you can see I got my image as a screenshot here. This is, you can see my image is here as a screenshot, and by following these simple steps you can easily get screenshot from anywhere you want, even you want from your web pages. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.